Hi, welcome to GI Review. Today we're unboxing the Kova robot, the suitcase that follows you. The tech is pretty straightforward. The luggage has a distance sensor. After activating it, it will chase after wherever you go. It works great on smooth floor or regular carpets. However, it is not designed to handle tougher outdoor surface. It might have some trouble getting over bigger cracks on the ground. You can link your phone with the suitcase, and it will trigger an alarm if the suitcase fails to follow. It is still a little strange to leave your suitcase behind, but it will definitely turn some heads on the streets. You can also switch to menu mode when you're outdoor or in a crowded area. It even works surprisingly well in tight corners. In terms of the suitcase itself, it doesn't have a zipper. Instead, it uses a combination lock to bind the shells together. The suitcase itself weighs around 12 pounds, and it will carry 24 pounds of luggage and follow you for about 5 hours or 12.4 miles with one full charge. The battery is located inside. Once you snap it in, it's ready to go. Let us know what you think in the comment section, and subscribe to GiGadgets for more interesting reviews.